Hello students, today we are starting our lecture number 10. In this lecture, we shall learn what is web content, how to write web content and the characteristics of web content. So let's start our lecture. First of all, we shall discuss what is web content. Web content means text, images, audio and video files published on a website. It is optimized and organized in categories for navigation. In this digital world, content is very important for any website, so the writers are required to write quality content for the website. It is very important to have compelling and unique content for your website that appeals to the search engines and readers. The right content enhances the readability, appearance and domain authority. How to write website content. Every website and blog needs content, so the demand of quality writers is very high. They can earn handsome income by writing content. The content of a website should be concise because visitors don't like to read long content. There are different steps to write content for a website. Select a topic for writing. Using brainstorming technique, collect more and more information. Write the content on a paper. At this stage, quantity is given importance instead of quality. The information should be authentic. Revise the stage of reading and edit. The selection of the words and tone must be appropriate. Repeat and edit. A website gives information, facts and knowledge to its visitors. Therefore, the content writing for a website should be factual, research-oriented with good presentation. The world of internet is full with millions of websites. Well-written and optimized content is helpful in boosting your website higher on search engines. Whatever the type of your website is, here are some tips and tricks to write quality content for your website. Characteristics of website content or web content. We know content is the king and everyone wants to have king on his side. The characteristics of good content are right for people, not for search engines. The spellings and grammar should be correct. The content should be unique and informative. The style should be simple and easy. Write catchy titles and headings to attract readers. The paragraphs should be smaller because concise and sweet content appeals both to search engines and humans. You can use bullets and numbers in content to make it more readable. The keywords should be used naturally in content. Don't put them again and again only for marketing. Use call to action button, picture or text. The writing should be casual yet objective. Use images, ideas, infographics, GIFs and animation. We know a picture, video or infographic is worth 1,000 words. The visual content has more effect on your mind instead of text. Use internal and external links. Know your audience. Write SEO optimized content. There must be one idea in a paragraph and it should be well organized. It must be covered properly in the whole paragraph without wandering about. Write in active voice tone. You should provide real world examples instead of high level statements. The selection and mixing of the word is very important. The most important thing is not to plagiarize. Your visitors come to learn new things about the topics you cover. The web content should be a mix of promotional and non-promotional content. Don't use images that are not yours because it is violation of Copyright Act. Always use attractive, inviting and descriptive anchor text. You should write content for each page knowing the goal of each page. For example, when you write a page where you want to sell a product, then the content should convince him to buy it. It is very important to review the content you have written for your web page. Read it aloud or go through it to find mistakes. The content and design of your website should be cohesive to make your content effective. Thank you. It was our lecture number 10.